Yeah, what you know, version I present. Pretty girl stamp. I say rough them up, I say quiff them. And what you know, pretty girl stamp. Tell them, so don't make you have to drop the bomb in here, you know.
One a while ago.
Bitch, you're stupid. You're supposed to see me in a person. That's why I'm a blood clot hide. Lift up from here. What you have to try me can conquer? Me not have to try me can conquer. Now watch you. Now watch the bees, watch the buzz. And that get you no fucked up. That get you fucked up. Me every nigga favorite girl. Stop it. If I don't want him, I can send a phone for him. I am Dora. I me them call war mistress and me control the girl.
Fuck you go on a while ago, you know. Fuck you keep up a while ago, you know.
Me will send ants and big jammer roach in your yard. And you're not gonna know say me tough them way there. Yeah, man. Alright, no worry yourself, Ali. No worry yourself. We're gonna
Ali, you have a personal vendetta against Dora. Oh, yeah. I'm try to understand it before me go.
Look how Eva come over here, we run joke, she just she dip on him like you want to suck the down on.
Alright, watch out. Alright, here I go. I'm not get it twisted or get it misted.
We're gonna send a friend for every one of your friends, man.
No, me just want to know keep like make me curious.
That's a tune, right?
Why problem?
You're not showing your face in a mama. Yes, she is. She is Miss Chocolate. She not show her face in the people, but she for me. But you see, because of the type of people who have fun life, me know everybody gonna go over there to see who that is and go report.
Your body are gonna get you in a problem, fearless, because all friend, all friend of a friend. Jesus,
Mama.
One private page that come on.
Come here, Mama. You have to add Mama. You have to add my team then.
Private page that come on. One private page. One private page. One private page. Hello? Alright.
They have brought me bumbo clot vibes. What that this man?
No, I personally never request me not with person.
Yeah, man. Something around me don't know Miss Chocolate. Me don't know what one. She see the little bleach up boy. I want him, yes.
That girl like who you man?
You for fuck she and the friend never threesome. You always talk about threesome. I have them get.
Me just curious because curious I kill the blood clot cat now. Me curious to know what is the watching part from with Ali. Or who really I keep this on. Or if Ali have a personal vendetta against Dora.
Ladies.
I want really
we need to have a choir and sing no vocals strong.
We don't have no choir and blood clot thing. Because I hear the blood clot subject. What you mean? I feel your body friends have a friend I watch. Me not understand how that they work over there so. Man, you put up a woman them for something. You can't do that.
One of nobody who is the friend one.
Because if me have because no blood clot and I want to come talk about saying I'm a friend. Or some fuck your wine and your old from Fearless.
Yo!
Fearless, you need to go look the pussy from Ali that.
Hey!
Go look up
with me now. Listen to me, nothing goes so when she does blood clot. Say she can't talk to me. Why she don't want to talk to me and I need to answer. Over the man! You know here's a man over there, man! Why not leave me alone with man? Man said for me, allow me to blood clot. What happened? Everywhere I go, somebody wanna argue with me over man. Why me?
Ladies, if you are in the tri-state area and you're looking for a buzzy body man, check Ali. She will tell you which one has the buzziest body because she watch them.
Every life, look at them send somebody like that. Me, listen to me.
Like I'm a camera and a turtle, like I'm a phone now. Like I'm a phone, I watch you live.
Nah, be Ali.
What happened? What
I have Dora have.
Man, Dora don't have nothing.
But that sound personal a while ago, Mama.
After you get the people in there comment busy.
So you really I watch Fearless Body for one friend for two girl?
But not watch nobody.
Girl, if you really take up that job there would that be an eyeglass. Me not asking me, I tell you.
Sometimes your friend body
And
for
then
watch. I'm
and
a
then
bit
so
on the
while
watch.
you say him to do it again
So
and
you
then
can't take off
show
the
him show
camera.
again and stuff.
Dora, oh, booking a dance store. Me I got tap it
Come
for your
blood
shoulder.
clot book you on
Me I
that.
got tap
Do
it
the
here.
face that
Me I
so.
tap it for the blood clot, but we go put the boat move.
I only love promise people to link up so man. And the tattoo thing, you know. One the promise the people them to link up, the people them ever see you before no see them. And why I don't know how it going on. Could I never want promise nobody to see
I'm
them on the net.
fucking tired of Ali. Listen to me. On the chatter laugh blood clad people. Will follow up chatter laugh and come back other life come antagonist.
Yes, Sean.
Allow me.
She watch Fearless Body. Yes, Sean. She watch Fearless Body. She
Son,
CM1, yeah.
son, page to page.
She
Them
CM1.
know me and me don't know them. Me want to know what is their problem with me. Leave me alone. Man, they don't permit me always have man. Be a man, me full of man. Allow me to blood clot. Show your pussy clad face. Show your face.
No, she not go show her face because I remember say a body watch her work job she do. Anybody who do body watching job, girl, we want lick them in their face the road.
This is serious.
So she not go show her face because she don't want nobody know her.
This serious. Me can't take it.
She don't want nobody to know
Everywhere
her,
I
me love.
go, there is another hole watching me over, man. Me can't take it. Me can't
Another
take
what, Dora?
it.
Dora, another what?
And not everywhere I go, another hole is watching me over, man. Me can't take it. I can't live, bitch.
When the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there.
Hello, Janari.
When the
Another
road is called up
motherfucking
yonder.
one. First, it was a one that I ain't never met. They them know me. I mean, uno always know me. I mean, I know uno. Ali come over here, chat and come advise our business. She ran. Okay. Thank you. Can I have the cheese sauce?
Here, Sean. Here, blood clot.
But listen, if she even come over there for advertise, it no make nothing there for me because me no know who, I don't know who it is. You have to understand, say, I have a whole bunch of people on my page, I interact with people, but I don't know them.
But who are the girl? I Fearless, me want to get out in a Fearless who Alia work with. I mean, I don't know about nobody right there now with Alia.
No wings, there's no wings on it.
Who Ali could have possibly work with there now? Me just curious. Fearless who Ali could have possibly work with.
I hear me. You have to raise with Ali Panda one day now. It's a mistake.
Me want to know how it go, master.
Yeah, man, you have to raise with Ali
Me
Panda.
want to know who employ Ali.
Hold on. I can't.
There you go. A white galaxy. Watch your blush. Watch blush.
Yeah, the man say me I walk at this one, the woman there.
Yes,
Don't
you
ask
are
about
walking and
it.
disowning your woman them. That's why them friend come on this and I go on so. If they publicly put out who your woman is, nobody wouldn't have to watch you.
There's a moo here and a moo there. Everywhere I move. Everywhere I move.
And uno really want for uno friend watch. Uno man, see somebody like this. When you hear something like that, he must sing moo moo song. So if you show
Oh,
you
McDonald, have a
Papa.
fun. E-I-E-I-O.
the man that on this road here, mama. You see it, Ali? The man that on this road here, him young. Him is living this life here. So if your friend and look for somebody to settle down with you, the wrong cocky this.
Ali, you say I am friend man. But am I friend man too? So what you mean? How that work?
Right there, so.
Work?
Right there, so. Tell her again. Say that part again. Say it again. Say it again.
How that work now, Ali? Come on, understand what I feel. Hear that?
Yeah. You had to hear the farmer. You was on the alley. He was like this. Yo. And a moo, and everywhere a moo, you is a moo for watching dick. You is a moo. Fucking idiot. You fucking idiot, you is a moo for watching dick for true, man. You fucking idiot, man. Oh, yeah, that business,
120, Ali.
At the right cocky, me now look for uno, leave me alone, not give nobody no boss. No
But
boss
Ali
for
said-
free. Everybody cocky, my cocky, fear cocky, they cocky, everybody
Come,
cocky. Girl.
Gyal, bad to bad, cocky a share.
I don't know what you're finna do. You better tell that
And
old
at
bitch
the
go
end
take
of the
some
day,
aspirin.
at the end of the day, up front, down low, that is it.
And Ali, I don't tell lies.
Bad to bad, Dora, you will talk the truth to your ears.
I thought the truth come here, bad girl. When you take people money if you don't for fight.
Lord Jesus Christ.
I want one right there, so.
Moo here. At what time you got skill? Because come text me and tell me about 8 to 12 a party.
Me I forgot call Lava when I done him call me earlier.
Lava got skill, then got one different party, Dora. In Dora.
Yeah, spin Mitchie.
Dora.
Yeah, what you say?
Me a spin and you, me did see a spin.
Yeah.
No, me ask say if that Lava got skill, then got one different party. A 2 party my work tonight.
Then Ali, why you not try it then? Me's a big idiot. You ever? Let me tell you, the baddest people them never say them body no, but
yeah,
naturally you already know. You already know what time it is, because you clearly know me.
With Ali, but
I
Ali
don't know you. I don't know you. So if there is a problem and you need to make the badness show, me don't tell you so the man I get fuck already. You know, come defend your friend, fuck man. And stop ramp around by Instagram, because I take this shit for a joke and I play with people. Me not play with nobody right here, so brother. Me just tell you so everything what come out of my mouth is true. So believe everything what me say. So if a badness you not push it, you know, push it then, brother. You know me don't know you. So anything can go on. What you say? You come cartoon out me thing to you hear where I sing this E-I-E-I-O joke shit. I ain't joking. I'm dead ass serious. Dead ass that nigga getting fucked. The fuck is you talking about?
Dora!
But you already saw that shit already. That's good, Ali.
And who want dream with the big boy?
You wanna run kitty? Yeah.
Dream with the fucking big boy, yes, fuck that.
Nah, listen to
Dream
shit.
with the big boy.
You bitches is weird. You're always trying to spread man propaganda from me. Thank you, Jesus. Nobody can stop my money. Because fucking around with y'all, niggas will see these lives and really feel like shit is really what it is, bro. Y'all is crazy. Look like at the new wave now. Forget notice, Mitchie. You just come on a live and just make up something or fuck with somebody and them just start cussing and there you go. Everybody know who Ali is or everybody know who this a person. I don't know if I saw not do it, better leave me out there. Cause me no clear rumors, I add on to it. Me, anything you feel, I will add on to that shit, bitch. I'ma tell you, yeah, I will nothing no go so. Cause all if it goes so you can't do nothing or whoever with you can't do nothing about it and a question me ask, me not talk with water in my mouth. Don't get this motherfucking Instagram shit twisted. I'm a whole different demon in a real life. Anybody who know Dora understand exactly what I mean by that. So an approving thing. Y'all be running some serious jokes. I don't know. What if I have a nigga and he takes shit like this serious? What if this nigga really... You understand me? I said, Mitch, y'all be playing too much. Don't be playing with me like that. Find some other body to give you that type of... And then Gyal, and there's so much rain I found for the past 3 days. You think the dog go over there and no pussy no go over there. I was there. So anything you want to go tell her, you make sure say come from Dora, signed, sealed, and delivered. Signed, sealed, and delivered, right? That's all. Fuck y'all
That
playing with
that.
me. Nah, y'all
That
playing.
is it, Ali.
Yeah, man, I have no time for that.
That
Them
that.
look, the second person did this shit. Am I bugging, Mitchie? This the second person. Stop playing me like that. Nessa. That's why I don't listen to them. My name done met my name in the street already. Me not have to prove no badness about it. But stop playing with. They be playing with these little lies that they come with these little stories. You can't interact with people without it being what they think it is. Like, get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna feed an insecure bitch
We
all
can't
that
believe
she
say
needs
Ali
to
really
know.
I watch Blood Clot, man, though.
I'm a
Fit
feed an
woman.
insecure bitch with everything she need to know. So if you hear I'm fucking that nigga, you feel, oh, you mean, mama, I'm cut me up enough nights, you know, mama, I can't tell her, oh, him room stay, or car when him drive your car, come pick me up. Yeah, man, me can't tell her, oh, it stay, man, we fuck her 2 times in the back seat, me rub my pussy by your steering wheel, me do the things, yeah, man, me and him a fuck long time. So if you just a figure say the fuck around a long time, me and him a fuck. We doing the big boy dance, you dig? Fuck is going on? Y'all keep playing these little dead games with me on this fucking social media. Got me fucked up. Fuck is wrong with y'all? So now that it's being said, right, people? So now somebody supposed to who them are gonna be? And I must even them are gonna beat them can't beat me. Them are gonna cuff him and quack.
Nobody
Oof
can beat
and
me,
quack
brother.
for
You're
the
crazy.
rifle. Cause ain't nobody beating the fuck out of this big bitch.
Nobody can beat him.
Cause
Them checking body at them
everywhere
own risk.
I go, I always have a little always should buy big. So get this Instagram shit twisted and get your motherfucking koofy fly off. And that's word to my daughter. So y'all little bitches that be watching me on this social media shit and see me and my friend them run to a joke, I feel like y'all could do that
No,
shit
yeah,
and
cocky no
spread
did.
shit.
None
Y'all
of the
getting that
cocky them
shit
no lie,
twisted.
y'all.
Me will
Now
spank
I
the
come
fuck out of
to the
any one
hey.
of you motherfuckers that play with me on this Instagram. Anywhere.
I
Me
really
not
take one of my
care.
blood clot
Me not have
pressure
much of this when
my
this fly.
screen.
So stop running them
Crazy.
games with me and playing with my badness. On the cartoon badness. Don't. This is that Dora that. Me a cartel Dora. Me and that Dora there. Where you back so. Cause I don't know if you don't want to run joke and you don't want to go badness. You know I swear. You understand what me I say, Michi?
Yeah.
Them don't know if them want to run a joke or them
You
want
have
to
to
go
choose
badness.
one lane.
You have to choose one lane with me. Cause you know me, I don't know you. So you have more upper advantage. Then let it be known. Stop running these little stupid ass games with me, blood. Cause I don't clear rumors. I add on to them. Y'all bitches is too insecure to feel like everybody want to fuck everybody. Get the fuck out of here.
No cocky no lie, y'all.
And then fuck that nigga already, bitch. Suck my dick. Fuck that nigga already. What you gonna do? Nothing. So what the fuck is all this internet shit already? What is it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Fuck out of here. Happy Mother's Day, mommy. Y'all keep forgetting this not really two together. Stop playing with me in these fucking Instagram shit, bro. Y'all don't know if y'all want to run a joke with me or y'all want to take it serious. Don't run badness joke. Me not run badness joke with nobody. Me not run them joke there. I'm going to take it serious. The fuck out of here. Watch whoever cocky you want to watch. Don't play with me.
Blood clot bring pizza and the Whoa, to me it's so.
Nah, these bitches is mad insecure about my friend.
Watch
Them. Bitch, I
blood
don't even
clot.
par.
Turtle, Mr. If
I don't even
Mr.
par with
Turtle,
bitches.
if
I
you
par with
never pin
niggas.
that
So I don't know
comment there
what the
tomorrow,
fuck you
would have
talking
never be
about.
Mother's Day.
Of course.
You
Me
think
have
you're
to
easy
bring
nobody's day
bring
there?
it on to Zaddy, right, Phyllis? Gotta bring it on to Zaddy. Fuck out of here, boy. Y'all watch cock. So some man out there, I don't want to watch them too. Some Wally out here. Hello? Yeah. Say the stupid shit.
All you say go, Mrs. You can't watch man for woman.
One company live the other day kill people dead. Me and she I take the same man. You know I run this blood clot joke in life and feel like I want to say hello. No water in here? No
But
water in here?
so I still believe in next lady though.
Here, this a mix up one, yeah.
No, true. No, Dora should come and talk and everything. You have to tell her today, my visa, she and Dora up some from a bench, not real life.
I don't know.
Because she come and she explain herself so great and so nice and so cute.
Brother, I don't know these people.
Cranberry juice and grape juice, Dora.
Grape juice is upstairs already, baby. Look in the fridge.
And get Ensure. Get one buckle of Ensure. I want case.
Me no need insure. I'm bad without the insure. Me no need help.
Gotcha.
God, you bring me on.
Right.
What's up?
With there, I try to listen where I'm going, you know it go.
Your life is so festive. Oh my days, my afraid
No, my life a good life, man. My life not really go like, oh, me should get. Me don't know when people add, if I know me should get, I told them get kick off. Me should do get kick off. Now when me add people, I don't know. I think them then are blocking spirits. When I get released from jail.
Oh, me.
Oh no,
Hello.
you are Michelle.
what's going on, guys?
What you say, Turkle?
Oh, Ava. Okay.
No, this a lady. This lady. Fearless lady.
One more thing. I need a ginger ale. No, Ava, you understand where I come from though, mama. You saw we run the joke and they gone. They be taking this shit
Fearless
too far.
lady.
Niggas be really believe in them.
They go left real quick.
Yeah, stop playing with me like that, blood. Then you trying to test my game so like you could puff my chest.
Yeah, these are those
On Instagram. And when people see it, don't do that shit with me. You making other people think that all this other crazy shit throughout the Instagram. Don't do that shit. Because I don't do that shit. Run a joke. When you start going badness, that's a different gunman come out of me. Yeah. It's a different nigga come out of me. The whole nigga come out of me. Don't be threatening me and running them badness joke on this motherfucker.
May I say something? Well,
I gotta meet my
in a real life too, Ali end up expressing herself like, come and share some vendetta with her though.
But I mean, I know
stupid.
brother, I mean, I know the people.
Yeah, that's a more vendetta.
Yeah, you
Man, so me don't want to chat to you. So, some vendetta.
You're gonna know them, and they always have some extracurricular shit to say on Instagram. And when you see them, oh my God, you're Dora, yeah, bitch. Scream for us.
Yeah, Ensure for the
A person is a bling out to come on. And they come on and
Why?
You have here before I even reach out.
Hello, you're sending the record. Hello?
Why you add the wrong person? Who the member add for the live? Who this? Cause this is somebody who?
Hungry though.
No, the person is sending the request, but you know.
Thank you, my guy. Later, yo. Thank you, mommy.
I know me, I'm sending the request.
Choco, I don't know them, bro. I don't know her. I don't know. If I know her and I know her by face, she should have just said, yo, Dora, it's me. You understand? Stop making it seem like me and people is in war, bro, man. Nobody in no war.
Watch my girlfriend, she'll laugh. Joey Dora said I want hungry. But what could I really? Why that beat yo internet that they wouldn't know who kids still end up? Me not tell no lie. People, the internet that kick them left, right, and center. Jaja, the internet that kick on the left, right. Send back the request. The internet that have on left, right, and center.
Yeah, man, it's a buff with a chew, dog.
Yo, that clat, you know.
A weeks, me dep on this buffing, you know.
For the vendetta, how it's take having this a serious.
You know, so park, we just hang her up and park her now, Mitchell. We not get no more airtime. We no bus people for free, madam.
That's a that.
Park her, man. That, man. That park, man. them on the next episode of Fearless in Love.
Yeah, Dora, no. Yeah,
Yeah,
blood
man.
clot, Dora.
Yeah, man.
You gonna get it in? Oh,
How me I gonna bring out the bag them on the
Yo,
inside?
vegetable and fish.
that, 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 that.